Doesn't matter how old the chat is, whether you have deleted it or even if someone has unsent a message on Instagram, there's still a way to get it back. Yes, you heard that right. And since we are known for making the impossible possible, so in today's video we will see exactly how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. And if you want it done the easy way, just DM me my chats on Instagram and my team will guide you step by step until your deleted messages are back with you. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. First, open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the three lines on the top right and then head to Account Center, then your information and permissions. Under this, click on Export your information. Step 2, now you have to request the data. Here Instagram lets you request a copy of everything linked to your account including photos, videos and of course your chat history. Simply enter your email ID and tap Request Download. Instagram will then open a browser where you will need to log in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see an option called Create Export. Tap on it, select your profile and choose Export to Device. Now under date range, pick the time period for which you want to recover the messages. For example, I am selecting last week. After that, hit Save and then start Export. Instagram will now begin preparing your data. Step 3, checking your email. Within a few minutes to a few hours, you will get an email from Instagram with a link to download your data. Open it, log in and download the zip file. Once downloaded, unzip the file and open your Instagram activity folder, then go to message folder, then inbox, then find the name of the person and open messages.json or messages.html file. Here you will find all your past chats including the ones you deleted or that someone unsent from the chat. And that's it. By requesting your data from Instagram, you can recover deleted, even unsent messages so you never lose anything important again. And if you want it done the easy way, just DM me my chats on Instagram and my team will guide you step by step until your deleted messages are back with you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.